I just want to show you what's inside my bathroom and to show you na ginagamit talaga namin ng NARSZEL. Okay, so that's a bathroom scent because gusto ko talaga mabango yung bathroom. This one is a body wash. Bigay ng husband ko yan. Alright, there's my scrub and my lotion. So the scrub, 3 times a week, I do scrubbing of my body or face. And then the lotion, I advise that you use it at night. Kasi syempre mainit sa Philippines, so mas comfortable when you put lotion at night. And then all my facial skincare. So I have there the glass skin toner. I still have the pink version. Ginagamit ko sila alternate. Serum. And then the rejuvenating one, ginagamit ko siya when I start to have pimples. So may moment kasi kung nagpipimples ako talaga. And then the night cream, nilalagay ko na rin siya dito. All of this I use after shower. Okay? And then you see there all my soaps. Uy, maganda mga soaps ko. Ayan. There. Nilalagay ko na lang siya dyan. And then, syempre, may pa-social doon na soap. Dala yan ng husband ko. Okay. And then, tawas. I don't use deodorants na mga Rexona or yung ganyan. Tawas lang ako. Tawas lang kami. Ayun pa. Okay. So, that's what's on top of my lavatory. And then, oops, may bago akong nakita sa Shopee. There you go. I love lights. You know, I really like lights. I don't know why, but I have this, lights always attract me. Whenever may nakikita ako online. Ayan. Okay, so that's it for tonight. I hope you enjoyed all of this. Okay. Good night. Bye, guys.